hosts ICASA. The last time Kenya hosted ICASA was in 2003 to actually be pre-selected, to be finally selected, and we hope for good news. So that's an accelerating progress. And this is because we did realize, just like in the spirit of ICASA, that
every 2 years. And to organize ICASA is through a...
And we'll start by first talking about what the Eastern and Southern Africa still hosts the largest population of people living with HIV in the world. And we do also recognize that while progress has been made globally, the number of new HIV infections are not falling fast enough across all African countries for us to end the epidemic by 2030. Every year, of course, we do estimate that almost 730,000 new HIV infections continue to occur in this region. And then we do also know that most of the children would die if they are not put on treatment, and also the number of deaths have not been reduced, so that we can say we've ended AIDS as a public health threat. It's also important for us to note that we as countries did commit, most of our countries in Africa are members of the United Nations, and we did commit to ensuring that we find at least 95% of the people living with HIV, and also make sure not less than that 95%, once they're diagnosed, they're put on treatment. We are also committed that we make sure that the one indicator that shows success of treatment is what we call viral load suppression, basically meaning that person is not able to transmit HIV, but also they are living a quality of life, a good quality of life.